In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the MCP or Multi-Tool Coordination Protocol for web scraping in n8n, focusing on a free workflow setup. This involves creating an MCP server within n8n and integrating it with a web scraping tool like Firecrawl. To get started, let's dive into setting up an MCP server workflow, breaking it down into straightforward, actionable steps. First things first, you'll begin by starting a new workflow within the n8n environment. This crucial step lays the groundwork for everything that follows, so make sure you're comfortable with n8n's interface. If you're new to n8n, don't worry. It's an intuitive platform designed to streamline automating workflows. Now, once your new workflow is up, it's time to add an MCP trigger node. This node acts as the entry point for your AI agent, marking the beginning of its interaction with your scraping tools. Imagine this like a door to your sophisticated web of interactions, allowing controlled entry and ensuring your AI agent knows precisely where to initiate its tasks. Moving along, you'll need to connect the MCP trigger to an HTTP request node. This is a pivotal step, as the HTTP request node will be used to communicate with your chosen web scraping API, such as Firecrawl. This connection sets up the pathway through which your web scraping operations will flow, effectively acting as a bridge between the trigger and your specific data extraction processes. While connecting these nodes, ensure that your parameters within the HTTP request node correctly target your web scraping API. This involves inputting the proper API endpoint and crafting any necessary headers or parameters that your API provider, like Firecrawl, may require for a smooth exchange of data. Keep in mind the emphasis on maintaining a seamless connection throughout your nodes. This ensures that any data you wish to collect is efficiently transmitted and processed. With your HTTP request node configured to interact with the web scraping API, the basic technical structure of your MCP server workflow is now complete. This minimalist yet powerful framework will serve as the backbone of your web scraping endeavors, tailored specifically to harness the capabilities of the MCP within n8n. As we wrap up, it's worth noting some tips that can enhance your experience. Regularly test your workflow to ensure reliability and accuracy in data scraping. Debugging becomes substantially simpler with smaller, manageable sections. Also, keep abreast of any updates to the web scraping tool you're using, like Firecrawl, as these can influence your workflow's efficiency and functionality. This workflow setup is your gateway to maximizing the utility of n8n and the MCP for effective and automated web scraping tasks. Stay tuned for more insightful guides on similar topics. Thank you for watching, and happy scraping.